In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links automatically in WordPress using n8n. This powerful tool can save you a ton of time and help you manage your affiliate marketing efforts more efficiently. Let's get started by opening up n8n, which is a versatile and open source workflow automation tool. Once you've logged in, you'll want to create a brand new workflow. Click on the button labeled New Workflow. And as we prepare to map out our automation process, it's crucial to give your workflow a meaningful name so it's easily identifiable later. Let's call it WordPress Affiliate Link Automation. Naming things clearly helps keep everything organized, especially when you start building more workflows in n8n. Next up is choosing how you want this workflow to start. Think about what should trigger this process. n8n provides several triggering options, such as a WordPress trigger, which is perfect for automatically processing newly created posts. This option detects new posts as they're published. If your goal is to automate this task for every new article, this is the most efficient choice. Alternatively, you can use a schedule trigger to scan published posts periodically, a webhook trigger to activate from another application, or a manual trigger to run the process only when you decide to. Now that we have our workflow starting point all set up, it's time to retrieve the article content. For this, you'll need to use the WordPress node within n8n. This node acts like a bridge connecting to your WordPress site to fetch essential details of your posts. These include the post ID, title, content, categories, tags, and status. Gathering these elements is critical because the article content is where we'll look for matching keywords to link affiliate products. It's this clever automation that can greatly ease your workload by seamlessly weaving affiliate links where they are needed the most. The following step involves setting up a method to store your affiliate links. You'll want to maintain a table containing keywords paired with their respective affiliate URLs. Let's walk through an example to clarify. Suppose you have the keyword web hosting. You can associate this with an affiliate URL like https example.com/hosting ref y123. Similarly, you might have other pairings such as VPN or AI tool with their respective URLs. This list of keywords and URLs is what the automation will use to find and insert affiliate links into the content of your WordPress posts. As for where to store this keyword and URL information, you have a couple of reliable options. Google Sheets is fantastic for straightforward spreadsheet management and easy cloud access. Airtable is another excellent choice, providing more advanced database functions with a user-friendly interface. Each allows your automation workflow to access and apply the correct affiliate links based on the keywords detected. That's all for setting up your workflow on n8n for automatic affiliate link posting in WordPress. By implementing this step-by-step process, you can significantly reduce the manual effort involved in affiliate marketing while enhancing the monetization of your WordPress content. Now go ahead and give it a try and experience the magic of automated affiliate linking.